Hi Richard, this is 787 Coweeta Lake Circle. That is the garage, and this is the main house. Let's walk into the garage. Double garage. Inside the garage has power. Nice big space. 2-car garage. Storage above. I'll walk around. This is a yard area. As you can see, it does go down, but it's not steep at all. Here's the back of the garage. We had taken some English ivy off of it. Still needs to have a little more removed. And here is the other side. We are standing pretty much on the property line. Here is where the new septic has been installed. Here is the side of the house. We'll go inside and then I'll go down to the creek. This is the front of the house. We have part of the step that has to be replaced, damaged by the moving company. Here's the deck on the front of the house. We have the old windows on the front. Now we're in the living room with vaulted ceilings. The wood stove. And I have had the chimney cleaned every year while the tenants were there. We've not had it done this year. There is the air conditioner, built-in shelves between the living room and the kitchen area. Here is where the dining room is. If you'll notice, there is no fixtures in the ceiling. This house was built to actually have lamps. So it does have the outlets. Galley kitchen, refrigerator, electric oven range, no dishwasher. It does have the washing machine. No, I'm sorry. The dryer inside the kitchen. Okay. This side, it has a small pantry laundry area. The washing machine's on the brink. Here is the water heater. Here is the small bedroom for office or storage. And as you notice, the carpet really needs to be replaced. Same thing here, no overhead lamps. Only lamps that plug in this room. No lamps come with the house, although there are plug-ins. There's 2 plug-ins in this bedroom. I don't see a third one. Baseboard heat along with the wood stove, window air unit. These windows are vinyl windows. They did not replace the one in the very front off the deck. Here is the small bedroom that we use as a master. Same thing here, no overhead lamp. There the paneling is bulking, but there's no leak in the roof. The owner is planning on possibly replacing the roof on the house. She was going to get estimates this weekend when she comes in. There's the closet. The panel box is on this side. And there is the panel box. The bathroom. The only bathroom is off of the bedroom. Attic access there. Shower and tub. And then here is behind the door. There is an exhaust fan. And it has, I'm thinking the heater is out on it. Looks like it's an exhaust, light, and heater. Back through the kitchen. Now, we will go out. Here's another view of the living room. I'll flip lights off as we leave. We're going out the back door. The small steps, and we will go down to the creek area. The property is not completely flat, and I'll do a side view to show you the terrain. Private well on the property. There is an old well that used to be a shared well, but both houses have their own individual well now. Here's the creek. Property starts right at the little chair there. As you can see, nice little small creek, large branch. Here shows the terrain of the property. There's the front of the house. A burn pit that the tenants used. There is the pen for one lot. And then the other is fairly close to that stake right there. And it comes up just behind the garage on the left. 0.65 of an acre, I think it is. Shows you a little more about the property and the terrain. And let me know if you want more information. Thank you so much.